Summer is very good time to go outside and spend some leisure time with your friends and family. But in this summer, we cannot enjoy like the last one due to the pandemic situation. But you don't need to worry. In this video, we're gonna share you the memories of last summer. We had a blogger meetup event at Serenity Resort. So let's just talk about the blogger meetup event, and the setup was ready. This was a blogger meetup event organized by Alpha Solution and Elite Life. Only Serenity Resort have such beautiful place, having a lot of activities and fun. You can come with your family, your friends. There are the different places. Swimming pool for kids and swimming pool for adults. Serenity Resort have also horse riding club. You can come and you can enroll for the regular classes. Interior is also good. And this was the food time. Food was really hygienic and very tasty. I'm missing that time. Here are some reviews of
So today I was
food
invited
bloggers
by
and
Elite
travel
Life
bloggers.
at Serenity Resorts located at Shaladita. It's a wonderful place and they've recently developed. Now they have a swimming pool, archery as well as horse riding, horse riding was closed today because of rainfall. I could not have food there unfortunately because I was running late. Otherwise, the organizers were really nice to me. They showed around. They were really polite and really professional as well. So I had a lot of fun over there, especially the weather was beautiful today. Islamabad, you beauty. Anyway, it's a must go. It's a highly recommended place even if you're looking for a place to hang out with family or with
If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.